In this video, I'm going to show you a general dropshipping store that's doing more than $1 million per month, 1.1 million to be exact, and how you can replicate their success and how you can build a multi-million-dollar general store for yourself right now. Let's find out. Hey, what is up? In this video, I'm gonna show you a multi-million-dollar general dropshipping store. The main question I get on my channel, on my Facebook group, literally everywhere is, do general stores work? And are they better than one product stores, than niche stores, etc.? So I'm gonna debunk the myth that general stores cannot make money, because this general store is literally making millions and millions of dollars. You can see what they do and their exact strategy. We're gonna go into it. They divide their stores very, very well, so you can replicate it, and the best strategies that I've done myself with my team for general stores, and how we've made general stores very, very profitable. But before we go on, I do want to congratulate my student Ibrahim. Last month, he made $42,000 and was able to quit his 9-to-5 job to focus 100% on his brand in e-commerce. So check out the screenshot right there. You can see the proof. I really heavily congratulate you, dude. You're absolutely just an amazing success story. I hope you get to that 100,000 a month. We're working on that. And then $1 million a month. Your brand is literally going to blow up. Amazing work. That dedication has paid off, and no more 9-to-5 for you. Freedom, lifestyle. That's what it's all about. If you want to learn what Ibrahim learned in my program, check out the first link in the description down below, the Inner Circle official invitation. Check it out in the first link down below. And as always, I give out a free one-on-one consulting call directly with me. All you have to do to win that call is comment secrets down in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll be entered to win. Every single video, I give out 1 hour call, so make sure to comment, hit that notification bell, and that subscribe button, and you'll be entered to win. All right, so this is the store that's making more than $1.1 million every single month on Shopify. So you can see it's called Daily Travel Vibe. You've probably seen it running around. Like, their ads are just massive. Their ads have like 15,000, 20,000 likes, just targeting literally the whole world. So they don't even have like interest audiences that are that big for their amount of scale. So you can see they just have a bunch of collections, right? Abundance and beauty, cool tech, outdoor fun. It's just a general dropshipping store. Like here they have this anti-smoke patch, anti-smoke little thing for your ear. And they have the vacuum pore cleanser, of course, the multi-million-dollar product, other things. And they have the categories here on the top. If you go to shop with us, it's gonna take you to their collections. So you've probably seen a lot of stores like this. It's built on Shopify, obviously. If you wanna learn what a store is built on, go to this application called What Runs. It's Shopify. This is the Turbo theme. It's a paid theme. It's like $450, and it's really good for just general stores, niche stores, brands, pretty much any type of store. So you can see here they divide collection after collection after collection, just selling a bunch of different products. If you go to Sales Source and you click Analyze Store, we can see that they're making, based on their estimates, they've been in business for 2 years and they're making $500,000 to $1.1 million every single month on a general store. If you've been thinking of building a general store, if it's your first store that you built, maybe you're hearing out there, hey, general stores don't work. You only have to do a one product store, or you only have to do a niche store. Don't do a general store, because that doesn't work anymore. $1.1 million every single month with a general store. And the really cool thing about them is that they launch products every single day consistently. They probably have a team of like 4 or 5 people constantly launching products. So you can see 38 minutes ago, an hour ago, they went to sleep, 13 hours ago, 14 hours ago, 14, 16, 14, and then more and more and more. Like every single hour, they're launching like 3 products. It's insane. And they just keep launching. 4 days ago, they took a two-day break, and then they just keep launching and launching. So they're launching a lot of products, and this ties into the strategy that I'm gonna teach you a little bit later in the keynote. I'm gonna teach you the exact strategy for you to get a general store profitable, but it ties into that. They also have another store called Daily Stuff Online. So they have that daily brand, right? Daily Travel Vibe, Daily Stuff Online. And this is another little brand that they have selling pretty much the same thing, general products. If we go to Sales Source, this brand is a bit older, which is weird that their least generating store and least traffic store is older than their better one. So you can see 17,000 to 35,000, pretty much the product list Genie theme if you want to go ahead and get it. And the same principle applies here. Recently uploaded product, 16 hours, 2 days, 5 days. So they're constantly uploading products. This is the ad that I found on Facebook that actually led me down the rabbit hole how their whole system works. So it's this head shaver right here. You can see 6.7 million views in 5 months, 15,000 likes, 10,000 shares, 4,000 comments. People are like, hey, wow, this is amazing, this is awesome. And you can see here they're selling that product. This actually sends them to the daily stuff online, to this particular page, which is very interesting. They're like sending different people from the same pages to their 2 main stores. So that's a really interesting strategy where they send from the same Facebook page, they send them to very different stores. Here you can see their page, really cool things. It's one of their main pages. And you can see they have multiple ads that they launched recently. And this is the one that's actually making them the most amount of money. This is the one that they're launching the most. This little V-face contouring mask. I can't believe people are actually buying this, but it's really insane that this product is making them that much money. This product is probably 50% of their ads. I've just seen this ad running again and again, and they target me again and again. And you can see that's the main one they're testing. Here's another test, test, and more. And they're just launching very different ads for this particular product. Here you can see again, and then other products that they're testing, like this hexagonal photo album. Maybe you've seen it running around. This one goes to the daily travel vibe. So this one in particular is going to the daily travel vibe page. Here they have this little frequently bought together app, and in the bottom they have just some reviews. And it doesn't really look like an amazing store. They're just trying to find ads and trying to find products that work, and that ties in to the perfect general store strategy, which is testing until you find one product that can scale. And the V-shaped mask that you can see here, daily travel vibe, they actually created a one product landing page for it. Here you can see the slimming mask is pure magic, a lot of things about the slimming mask, and you can see it's not a traditional product page, it's a product landing page that we've talked about a lot on this channel, probably made with Shopify pages. Here you can buy different bundles. You can get 10 packs, 2 packs, 5 packs, and they just upsell, really like upsell all of these products very well. 30-day money back guarantee. And you can see here it's actually built on Shopify pages. I'm here in Cyprus with my beautiful Vladislava. And I just want to thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you to every single one of you. She thanks you too. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, subscribe right now. Hit that red subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and if you like the video, hit like. It really helps spread out the word and get this thing to 100K. Thank you so much again, bottom of my heart, and cheers from the beach, the amazing beach, and my beautiful Vladoshka. So their strategy basically is finding a winning product, scaling it alone in a one product landing page, and then making a lot of money off of that. The ad library, I tried checking for the other page that they have, which is daily stuff online. Unfortunately, I tried like from I've tried 5 different times from very different browsers, and all the time it sent me this error. Something went wrong. We're working on getting it fixed as soon as you can. I don't know why. If you want to check the Facebook ads library on daily stuff online, you want to spy on their ads, I just couldn't. I tried reloading it, and it wouldn't work. Now, to the strategy. How can you get a general store profitable, and how you can build a multi-million dollar product, multi-million dollar general store just like these guys. The best way to start for a beginner is a general store. I've gotten this question a lot. Hey, do general stores work for beginners? Should I start a general store? Yes, they work. And they work very well for beginners because there's really no upfront investment and not that much preparation as you would do for a one product store, for a private label product. Let's say you want to get into like Amazon and you want to start your own custom product. That requires a lot of investment, a lot of preparation. The launch isn't as fast. With a general store, you can launch pretty quickly. It kills that inaction that a lot of dropshippers have in the beginning, and it just gives you a quick action plan. Build a store, 15 to 20 really good products that you have research on. If you want to do research, click the I icon right here. I teach you my full winning product research strategies, and literally it just pushes you to action and pushes you to just find products, test products, learn the skills necessary to master e-commerce, master dropshipping, and it really helps you become a master at this. So how to do it right. What you want to do is start testing 3 to 4 products. If your budget is really low, I would test 1 to 2 products and then start getting a few sales from there. Start experiencing yourself with ads, start testing different creatives, and then go on to the 3rd and 4th and so on. You want to see potential and market response, but you also want to make sure that you're constantly testing products. If your budget allows to it, start testing a lot, as many products as possible. I have some students that had a general store. They were testing like 6 to 8 products, and then their number 9 or their number 10 was the one they scaled to like $500,000 a year, right? Ibrahim, the guy that made 42,000, just quit his job. That's how he started. He started a general store, got some sales from there, got a product that was selling really, really well, built a brand off it, built a bigger brand off it, and now he's making 50 grand a month off of that, basically starting with a general store, gaining the skills necessary, and then going on to 2 years, basically absolutely crushing it. Focus on solving an audience's problem, right? Like I said, if you want to learn how to really do this very, very well, you can check the second link in the description, step-by-step, $0 to $10,000 masterclass on how to really find products that get you millions and millions of dollars and help you go from $0 to $10,000 every single month. Not just sell random stuff, because in a general store, what a lot of people think is like, oh, I'm just gonna be selling random things from very different categories. No, you're going to be selling products that solve problems, that have a fit in the market, but that can also be from different categories, different niches, for different audiences, different people. Long-term focus is to find one product that you can scale, just like these people, the daily travel vibe people right here. They're testing multiple products, just testing. And now to make that $1.1 million right here, they actually just scaled this particular V-shaped mask. So they tested a lot of products, testing. They found one product that sales, made their focus that product, invested in a landing page, invested in all of this self-branding and very, very good copywriting on the page, and are now scaling with this particular product. I would suggest you do the same. Test a lot of products, find one that works, find one that has potential, 20 to 30 sales, consistently every single day, making 5 to 10 or more sales. Invest in that product, focus on that product, test it rigorously, and then scale it to literally the moon as these guys have done. So what are the cons of a general store? What are the wrong things about it, or why I wouldn't recommend it for somebody? It's hard to sell for high capital once you get it to the point where you want to sell the store. It's way easier to sell a brand. It's way easier to sell a niche store for millions of dollars once you made that level of money. So let's say you make like $500,000, you can sell a niche store for like 300 grand, 250 grand, because it's a niche, it's very strong, the audience is very strong, the email list is amazing. Like, people are really tied into that brand and really trust that particular niche or that particular brand that you build. If you want to sell a general store, people are less likely to trust it. People are less likely to really be like loyal to that store. So it's very hard to sell it for a high price. So that's why I wouldn't recommend it for long term. If you want to sell the store, I would recommend creating a niche or a brand, not just stick with the general store. There's also inconsistency. You also have to find a new product all the time. Let's say that product that you scale to like $1 million a month dies down. Now what do? You got to find another product that you can scale to $1 million a month. Like you saw in that store, they're constantly uploading, constantly testing different products, because they know if this product dies, we need a new winner. If this product dies, we need a new winner. That's the only problem. You always have to be like trying to climb that mountain of getting to that point of a winning product. With a niche store or with a brand, you don't really need that, because you're focusing on a particular category of products, or you're focusing on one particular product, like a one product store that I discussed last week. Before we go on, I do want to congratulate Grace Phillip for being the winner of the consulting call from the past video. If you want to win a call for this video, comment secrets, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And the last thing, it does not provide 7-figure skills. What I mean by that is branding, building a company, partnerships, JV deals. It really doesn't provide for that, because you're not a strong company. You're just a general store selling just any product that you can find in the market. You're not a brand. You're not really private labeled too well. So that's what I wouldn't recommend for getting into that $1 million a month or getting into that $1 million level. You can get it there, but it's just not going to be consistent. A brand is much easier to get it to that point, get it to that $1 million a month, and then keep making $1 million a month and just 10xing your revenue all the time instead of trying to find that new product that you can scoop and make a bunch of money. It's really not going to master those skills that's necessary for building a real company, a real multi-7-figure store. It just is really hard with a general store. It's much easier with a one product, private labeled niche store. What to do next? Start your Shopify journey. If it's your first store that you're ever going to start a general store, start testing, master the skills that's necessary to find a winning product, to test a winning product, and then go niche, go with a brand, go with like a long-term project. But first start out general, or at least focus on an audience. You can focus on like women 20 to 40, men 40 to 60, and then you focus on that audience, you sell products to that audience, and then you go and do the niche and do the branded. And if you want to build a general store and you want to know the top products that you need to sell right now in 2019, check out the video right here. In this video, I give you the top 22 products that you need to sell right now to make money on Shopify. If you're building a general store, these are crucial. So click that video right here. It's gonna go off in like 10 seconds. Click that video right here, the top products to sell in 2019 right now. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.